What are the 3 common reasons people switch to cloud hosting? Cloud is slowly becoming the platform of choice as the next-level hosting solution for many sites. It is not only powerful but is also one of the most affordable hosting platforms available today. Let us take a closer look and understand 3 reasons why people switch to cloud hosting. What is cloud hosting? Cloud hosting is the type of hosting service that uses multiple servers to host website data. It mostly bundles free cPanel, which makes it easy to manage, even for new website owners. It also supports instant setup, which means websites can go live without undue delays. It also supports caching and one-click app installs which boost performance. It is highly scalable. Scalability allows a hosting platform to keep pace with a website's growth without having to change platforms. Cloud hosting is highly scalable and can easily grow to accommodate a website's pace of growth. It is fast. In hosting, performance is a combination of optimized software setup and cutting-edge hardware resources. Cloud hosting has the resources of several servers at its disposal and offers one of the fastest performances. It is robust. A hosting platform's security is an important part of its reliability and dependability. Cloud hosting is a robust hosting platform that can even withstand the dreaded DDoS attack. Reseller Club's cloud hosting comes with a fully managed option with one-click resource upgrades. Get advantage of 99.9% uptime, free data migration, one-click app installs and 24/7 support.